Hey everybody, welcome to All Games Fans. Today we're going to be trying new food blocks called Aphmau food blocks mixed fruits.
Okay, mixed.
Mixed, yeah.
Yep.
Mixed. So we're going to dump them out and then we're going to eat them one at a time. On the count of 3, we're going to try one. 1, 2, 1, now. I like them.
Oh my.
They're amazing.
Amazing, huh? Mabel, what do you think? What about you, Ella?
They're amazing. 10 out of 10.
10 out of 10. Okay. Oh, you took Mabel's. Nice try.
This is orange flavor. I give them a good 10 out of 10.
Give him a 10 out of 10. What about you, Mabel?
Strawberry flavor.
Strawberry's your favorite flavor? Nice.
And I like them just dry. And don't forget to hit our notification bell. And goodbye. And goodbye.